Hi guys, I'm back with another video showing you how I get my signature instant afro. This is just a really cool style that I've been loving to do these days, just wearing my hair as it is in its shrunken state, and I've really been enjoying doing it like that. So people ask me how I get it like that. So here's what you need. You need some water and you need some oil, and that is pretty much it. Maybe you also need a rat tail comb later on, but I'll get to that later. So as you can see, I just spray my hair with the water. I make sure that it's pretty damp, almost soaking, not quite, probably like 70% like soaking essentially. And then after that, I apply my oil. My favorite oil is this one from Olive Miracle, the African Pride brand. And it's just like olive oil and a whole bunch of oils mixed together. But yeah, I apply that to my hair just to soften it a little bit. And then I just fluff out the hair, essentially, making it into the shape that I like. The next thing I use is Jamaican black castor oil. I really use that for my edges and also for the rest of my hair as well. I really like it. It strengthens the hair and it makes it really thick, I find. So again, I just continue to fluff out the hair. This is pretty much all you do for this retro afro style, but it doesn't involve like an afro comb. I just part the hair on one side. This is the side that I always part my hair on. It's just like what I like. So this is the part that I make with the rat tail comb. Again, tangles here and there, but it's one of those styles where I'm okay with the tangles because it's fun. And it looks cool, so I just do it. But really, I wouldn't advise keeping this style for a really long time because it does cause tangles after some time. But yeah, so this is it basically. I just fluff it out until I'm comfortable and I'm happy with the shape of the hair. And yeah, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like in the end. I usually just brush the edges of my hair, my edges, just brush them down just to make sure it's nice and neat. And then if you want, you can also put gel, but I don't really like gel. I don't like the feeling of it on my scalp, so I just usually skip that step. But yeah, this is basically it, you guys. It's super easy, but it looks really cool and trend and just, I don't know, just retro and vintage, and I really like that style. So if you want to give this a shot, then go ahead and do it. It doesn't take long, it doesn't require a lot of product, and it's super quick. So let me know if you like it. Comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.